Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how you can add your devices into your Packet Tracer workspace. So as you can see in the Packet Tracer, you have a big workspace, which is white. And then in below, you can see different devices, different category of devices that you can choose. You can choose network devices. And in particular, you can choose routers, switches, and other devices. In this course, we just deal with these ones. And then you can choose the category of end devices. In the category of end devices, we have PCs, we have end devices and home and other things, which we work mostly on end devices. And in the end devices category, you can see PC, laptop, server, and other things. And also we have different connections, and in different connections, we have console cable, we have a straight through cable, and we have crossover cable. So in this video, I would like to create a very small network in order to show you how you can add your devices, because into your next lab, which is the Packet Tracer, you need to be able how to add your devices into your workspace. Let's say I would like to bring two different switches. So I will go to the network devices category. From the subcategories, I can choose the switches. And the switches, you can see different models that I have for the switches. There are two switches that we are using in this semester that I want to explain it to you. One of them is switch 2960, which is a layer 2 switch, as you can see over here. I'm going to drag it and put it over here. In order to add your devices into the workspace, you just simply drag it from here to the workspace. And also there's another switch, which is a 24 ports, actually 3560, which is a multi-layer switch. So it has both layer 2 and layer 3 capabilities. In this semester, we're just gonna work on layer 2 capability of this specific switch. So as you saw, in order to bring these devices into the workspace, what I did, I just simply dragged them to the workspace. And in case I want to delete them, I just select them and then press delete, or you can choose this option or use delete into your keyboard. As you can see, it says, do you want to delete this tool? I say yes, I want to delete them. And yet, in order that this X sign goes away, I can use exit. And so there's another way to bring the devices into the workspace. I can select 2960 switch, and then as you can see, there is a plus sign, and I can put it wherever I want. Also this one as well, I'm gonna put it over here. And as I said, I want to create a small topology, and in my small topology, I have 4 PCs. So in order to bring end devices into the workspace, where do you think I have to select? I have to select the end devices category, and in the end devices, I want to bring 4 PCs. So in order to bring 4 PCs, I don't want every time come and select it and then drag it over here. So in order to select it once, I will press Control, and while I'm pressing Control, I click on PC. And in this case, I can click on the workspace 4 times. When we want to create a topology, it's a good idea to change the labels of my devices. In order to change the labels, you just simply click on the written text below and then change it to whatever you want. So I want PC3, PC2, and then PC1. I want to change the labels for the switches as well, in the same scenario, S2. So as you can see, I just changed the labels of my switches, because if I go to the CLI page of S1, still I can say the host name is switch. So by changing the label, I'm not changing the host name. So please note this point. So now is the time to connect these devices through the connections tool. As you can see, we have 3 different cables. So in order to connect my two switches to each other, I will use crossover. I will select crossover, and then I will choose whatever port that I want. It doesn't matter. In order to connect PCs to the switches, I will use a straight through cable. So since I want to connect at least 4 cables over here, so it's better to press Ctrl and then select the straight through cable, so I don't need to select it anymore. So I can choose whatever port I want, just it depends on the scenario that I want to do that. If in the lab it says, let's say from PC3 you have to go to the fastness 0/3 of S2, you have to do the same. So as you can see, all the ports on the switch sides are in the amber color or orange color. So in the real life, you have to wait around 30 to 50 seconds. So these ones get green. As you can see, this one got green. So in order to make it faster, I can select fast forward, and as you can see, it become green. As you can see, I have shown you how you can add your devices and how you can connect them in Packet Tracer. Thank you.